Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to take a look at an odd Swiss Army knife. It's kind of a cool one, but it's still a little weird. This is the Victorinox Walker. And it's not weird because of the yellow scales. The yellow scales are a little unusual. It's weird because it's well, I'll show you. It's one of the 84mm versions instead of the larger 91mm versions, but it's got some interesting tools on it. It has the traditional large knife blade, and it's got the toothpick, and it's got the tweezers like normal. But the two things that are different is it has one of the can't get it out. Wow. This is just gross incompetence on my part. Sometimes you gotta actually use your thumb. Alright. There we go. It has the combination bottle opener, can opener, like the Victorinox Compact has, which is kind of a little unusual. But the thing that makes it really interesting is it's got a saw. It's got the Victorinox wood saw on it. And it's kind of an interesting little pocket knife. It has the smaller 84mm format, so it's a very light and portable knife. And it's kind of it's very minimalistic. I mean, it's got the large knife blade, the bottle opener, can opener tool, and it's got the saw. And that's pretty much it. I don't know, it's an interesting choice if you're looking for a kind of a very simplistic pocket knife that, you might, as the name suggests, take for a walk in the woods. I don't know. It's a very simple kind of... It's definitely pocket knife size. I don't know. Kind of interesting. It's a little bigger. Pardon me. It's a little bit bigger. Well, it's a little bit thicker. It has an extra plate over my watch tool. I don't know. It's an interesting knife. What do y'all think? Let me know what you think in the comments. It's kind of it's different. I'm trying to figure out if I like the yellow or not. I'm kind of thinking I might. Just for some variety. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comments. And if there's anything that you think I should check out, let me know. I'll include information if you want to track down one of these walkers. And if you have enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope you all have an excellent day.